Hello guys, hello students, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, this video is not going to be like the normal YouTube video that you normally watch or the normal video I post here on YouTube about trendline. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys two approaches that you can use in trading trendline, and I'm going to go straight to it. So subscribe to this channel and also share your comments if you have any question. As you guys already know, I always reply the comments. So if you have any question, let me know down there in the comment section. As you guys can see, I already have two set of examples that I'm going to use in explaining two ways you can trade this trendline, and I'm sure that maybe one of them you haven't heard about it before. So pay close attention to this video and actually sit back and actually get your trading journal or get a jotter and actually jot this strategy or jot this step down. So guys, before I actually get into this video, I actually want to show you guys my Telegram group. For those of you who are not already in my Telegram group, join my Telegram group right now. I have been posting Secrete. Yesterday was CPI. Guys, look at this. I'm not lying about it. Yesterday was CPI. This was when I sent my expectation. That is what I'm actually looking out for good. This was when I sent it to them. I told you that I'm waiting for the market to actually tap into this my zone, and then I'll look out to buy good. So when the market tapped into my zone, I told my Telegram group members that I'm in for the buys. Look at it when I told them. Okay, if you're not in my Telegram group, you're already missing now. So this was when I told for the buys. As you guys can see right here, this was when I told them I'm in for the buys. That this the time whereby I showed you that I'm in for the buys, and as you guys can see, when CPI, the market actually gave me profit. As you can see, I scaled in with 0.03 lot size, but when the CPI came, CPI went according to our direction, and this is how it went. Everything was history, guys. So if you're not in my Telegram group, FX channel, the link is gonna be in the description box. So join my Telegram group right now and actually get exclusive signals all for free, man. So join the Telegram group so that you won't miss out. So let's get straight into the video. So guys, sorry for that. I just want to actually share with you guys my Telegram group and what is actually up on the Telegram group. So guys, I'm really sorry for that, but if you're interested in joining the group, the link is gonna be in the description box of this video. So let's get straight into this particular one. So as you guys know already, you guys know that we have already three types of trend in the market, right? We have the uptrend, that's the trend that is moving upwards. We have the downtrend, that's the trend that is moving down, and then we have the consolidating market or sideways market. So I'm not here to actually tell you guys that, because you guys already know these types of market. So but what I actually want to share to you guys is two approaches you can use in trading trendline. Now if you can look clearly at what I actually drew right here, look clearly at this. What can you guys see? You guys see that the market was actually moving all the way down, but what happened? You started seeing that the market started creating higher highs, higher lows, and then the market has started moving direction. That is, the market has changed direction from the normal downtrend we used to know to the upward trend, right? So guys, how do we trade this trend line now? The first thing I normally tell them is to identify the trend of the market. Let us say that this part is not like this, the market has not created this other structure here. The market is just dealing with only this one here. Now how do I trade this trend line? The first thing to do is to identify the trend of the market. Look closely. The market is going what? Downwards, guys, right? The market is going downward. So the next is so the thing to do is to use your trend. This is your trend line, whether on MetaTrader 4 or your trading view app. Use it to connect points in the market, highs and lows in the market. As you guys can see, I have connected highs and lows in the market. These are highs in the market that I have just connected. Now these highs in the market I've just connected, and these are lows in the market that I've just connected. So what am I waiting for? There are three criteria that I use in jumping in for this trend line. The first thing I do is to identify the market, trend of the market. After doing that, the next thing I do is to draw a line connecting swing highs and swing lows in the market. After I've done that, the next thing I do is that I wait for the market to touch those trend line, to touch down my trend line 3 times. Look at this, guys. The market touched 1, 2, around 2 here, and then the market touched for the third time. Now when the market touched for the fourth time, it actually gave me what? Profit. Look at this, guys. Look at this. The market touched what? 1, 2, and 3. Touch again the fourth time, but the fifth time it failed. Now a lot of traders, they will tell you that the market need to touch at least 2 times before you jump in for this before you jump in for whether for the buys or for the sales, but me, I actually recommend 3 times. Look at this. If you're the type of trader that you just follow that the market need to touch 2 times, you just wait for the market to touch 1, 2. Now the third time when the market is tapping in that your trend line, you look out to sell your SL over here, and then you take profit maybe somewhere here. You so much your take profit. If you're still waiting for the third third touch, sorry, for the fourth touch, just like the way me I'm going to do it. I will just wait for the market to tap in for the fourth time after giving me 3 confirmation that trend line is actually valid, and then I'll put my take profit at the last resistance line. And look at these guys, sorry, at the last support line, and look at these guys, the market actually smashed my take profit. So this is the first approach you can use. You can actually wait for the market, right? So you can actually wait for the market to actually tap into that your trend line maybe 3 times. If you want to go with the 3 times, good. If you want to go with 2 times, good. But me, I actually recommend the market tapping into that your trend line 3 times. Then for the 4th time, that's where you look how to take your trades. But do not just take your trade blindly. You wait for candlestick confirmation. That's when your knowledge of candlestick confirmation come into play. You wait for that candlestick confirmation and then you jump into it. But note, even when there is news, those your trend line may actually fail, because when news event is coming, the direction is not actually predicted 100%. The market can go against you and the market can also go in a direction when there is news. But majority of the time, trend line actually work. Now look at this. When I actually drill this one at the bottom, I have how many touch? 1, 2. Just like I said, for those traders, I will just wait for 2 touch. When the market is coming for the 3rd time, they will take this trade and then to give them what profit. But for me, I will be waiting for 3 touches. That's I'm looking for high probability trade setup. I'm having first touch, I'm having my second touch, I'm having my third touch. What am I waiting for? I'm waiting for the market to tap in for the 4th time, and then I'll wait up for candlestick pattern, my SL over here. Then I'll take profit maybe at this level, or anywhere I wish to put my take profit. That's where I put my take profit. So guys, that is another thing. Is either you are trading with your trend line, or you are trading this other way that I'll be sharing to you guys. Now the next one I will say is that when the market break your trend line, the market will come to retest your trend line, and then you look how to take opportunity there. Let me share it with you guys. I'm trying to rush right here, but let me calm down. Now look at it. The market tapped 1, 2 here and 3 here. The 4th time when the market tapped in, look at this, boom. For those traders, I will just wait for 2 times, 1, 2. When the market is tapping for the 3rd time, it's giving them profit. But me, I'll wait for 3 touches, 1, 2 and 3. The market is tapping for the 4th time, and I'm looking out to take opportunity from there. Now look at this, guys. Watch. When the market came for the 5th time over here, what happened to the market? The market broke your trend line. Why? Because there was news event. Look at this strong bearish candle that occurred here that actually broke your trend line. But if you guys notice, watch what happened here. Just watch what happened here. Let me share with you guys what happened here. Now, if I should extend this my trend line to the future, what happened? You see that the market came to retest down my trend line. Am I lying? Look at this, guys. Look clearly at this point. Okay, look clearly at this point over here. The market came to test your trend line, and then the market started moving all the way down. Guys, you need to backtest this. Not because I'm preaching this to you, you will just go over to your live chart and then start implementing it immediately. No, backtest it. Look at this market, touch here, move up, touch here, move up, touch here, moved all the way up, touched here, moved all the way up. For the 5th time, it broke. The market moved, came to retest your trend line again, and then you wait for trade entries or opportunity to take your trade. Do not just jump in blindly. A lot of traders, they will be impatient when the market is tapping to that their zone. They'll say, because I heard that this thing actually works, so just jump in for the sales immediately. Their SL is over here, take profit maybe somewhere here, and then the market will just move against them and start moving to anywhere it wants to go. So those top traders, or those traders that are actually patient, those are the traders that will actually win this trade, because they'll be waiting out for confirmation of other confluences. Maybe they'll be using indicators that will actually tell them maybe the market is about to sell, or the market has overbought or oversold, guys. So you need confluence to actually back this up. Go and backtest this, guys. It actually works for me, and that's what I actually use in sending those free signals on my Telegram group. So if you know that you're not fine with this strategy, it's fine, don't use it. But if you know that you want to know more about this strategy, and you also want to backtest this strategy and start using this strategy, it's all for free, guys. Learn it, go to your chart, backtest it. If it works for you, then start applying it to your chart, and that is how you actually how to build a system, or how to build a strategy while trading forex. Actually learn this strategy on YouTube. I backtested it and it works for me. That's how I'm actually sharing it to you guys, so that you guys can also backtest it and actually build it as a system that actually makes you profit in the market. I hope you got some value out of this video. Please subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you up in my next one.